Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in this week's news, we have a pack of 33 sprite sheet animations by ELV Games, Blast Effect Effekseer animations by DreamCircle, an enemy battler of a demon dog, a skeleton, and a slime, all three by Uji Masala. A pack of 100 plus cartoonish monsters by Delta Shade, a Beelzebub Fly, and Fafnir Dragon by Towariki Fubuki, a pack of 12 human enemies and 30 unique monsters by Jlu, a character art of a male patient, and a female doctor by Niahoya, a Little Red Riding Hood Girl by Kitune no Lux, and a character art of a male by Taketo, a pack of adventure icons by Optimus Do, a pack of 13 ambient tracks by Ayato Soundcrate and Komodo, a music pack of 6 chill synthwave beats by Poltergasm, and a pack of background music for event scenes by Takumi, an MV plugin by Yurai Razanthe that makes some random dude's title map background plugin compatible with MV3D, an MV and MZ plugin by Yurai Razanthe that extends MV3D to also utilize the tile mapping layers, 2 MZ plugins by Hakun Studio that add quality of life improvements by allowing certain events to be run through plugin commands with greater control, an MZ plugin by Sinrak that allows visual equipment and layering on sprite, an MZ plugin by Toria Kontan that displays party member faces on save file, an MZ plugin by Noon that allows setting frame rates for MV animations, and an MZ plugin by Tamaki Awana that changes the appearance of the status scene, a resource manager for MV and MZ by Starlet that removes unused resources while also searching through the resources referenced in the plugins, a pack of 30 game sound effects by gamedev, a tileset pack of a legendary Naga Palace by Coco Reflections, Post-Apocalypse Land Tiles by Sazadi Art, Pretty Little Pixel Forest by Echo, Spell-Wheeled Dump Tiles by Sleepy Golem, SNES Tile Tower Tiles by Idlewild, LPC Blacksmith by Blue Carrot 16, Modern RTP Edits by Starbud, a pipe organ tile set by Every, and a winter tile set by Cacique Supremo, an article tutorial by Hidden One on eventing a picture-based menu, and lastly, a video by Amalgamash on the value of game reviews for our RPG Maker game and about interpreting them. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.